Yeah, man. So it's literally just like 3 cents for this awesome thing. Oh, yeah, for sure.
My bank account is getting scarily low, so I've decided to do something about it. Get a job? Wait, a what? Mobile games are horrific. You play them for 3 minutes and have 4 minutes of ads. But clearly they're making buku bucks and I need a slice of that pie. So let's make a mobile game and of course, make some top quality ads to go with it. How do we make a mobile game? Well, really all we need to do is find a weird, oddly satisfying mechanic, sprinkle in some 3D low poly red guys, and make a bunch of levels. I want to recreate the classics of gaming history, like Text or Die, Crowd Evolution, Money Rush, and Car Lot Management. Okay, so I've been coming up with some ideas, and I think I've got it. Imagine this. You slide a character from left to right through a forest, collecting coins, and at the end of the level you spend your coins on a sword and fight monsters. It's genius. I know. And this is definitely not too big a project for my first ever game. Now this is gonna be awesome. I've encountered a problem. I don't know how to make games. I've made some basic things in the past, but nothing to this scale, and nothing that actually works. So I'm just gonna use Unity. Time to watch some tutorials. So Bracky's just quit? I should have never learned game development. After watching a few tutorials, I think I know how it works. Just copy some blocks of code from the internet, put in a couple of cubes, and you've got a game. And post-processing, of course, because it needs to look shiny. Of course, we need a bean, who's looking kinda, well, you know. Let's code. He walks! Basically, I just go wherever the player taps, divide it by the width of the screen, multiply that by the width of the actual playing area, and send the player towards that direction further away. Simple, but what's the player gonna do with all these exciting new controls? Well, now we've got some coins set up, and we've got them in specific patterns so that you have to maneuver to actually collect them. And so now we have a really, really boring endless runner that basically simulates being born into a high socioeconomic class and living life. If only I could play this game in real life. Oh well, politics. How do we make it less boring? Well, I'm glad you asked. Rocks. You ever try to walk through a rock? You just can't. It's stuck there. And you can't put a rock in your pocket. It doesn't fit. So let's cook up the most awesome rocks in the world. As you can see, I'm an expert 3D modeler. I'm like an AI art generator, but for 3D models. And now we just have to mix it in with some coins to make some presets the players can interact with in the world. These will all spawn randomly to create awesome and intricate gameplay. With this, we should also add a game manager so that we can handle UI, death, and scoring. And also the speed everything's moving at. Because, little game developer secret, the player's not moving. Everything else is. And I'm sure there's nothing that could go wrong with this. Oh no. And this is where I started to realize, making games is hard. It's not like those YouTube videos where you can just watch and see someone put something together. You actually have to put that stuff together yourself. So I've got a endless runner with a few bugs, but I really don't know how to make a level manager or implement skins, that whole fighting mechanic we were talking about, or the ads. Really, the ads are the most important part I need to learn still. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. I've added in a main menu and added in some grass, and now you could technically call this a game. So let's jump into the gameplay. Ah! Oh no! What? There's no way. This is crazy! Wow, that was really fun and awesome, guys. Right? Yeah, I know you've always got my back. Okay, next step is obviously the graphics. First things first, we need to get rid of the silly bean and replace it with a real character. And it needs to be something people will love. This is Unity Chan, the perfect waifu and amazing main character for a game. and is also completely free on the Unity Asset Store. Oh, and next we gotta add some environment so you're not just running through space. I'm thinking trees. A perfect masterpiece. What about post-processing? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Done. Game finished. I don't want it anymore. You can have it. But, yeah, the game can become impossible at points, but that's a feature. Skill issue. Not my problem. That whole gameplay fighting mechanic is kind of just not there, but oh well. I'm no quitter, so I'm just gonna stop now and definitely make more update videos. So subscribe so you can see me become the richest man alive by scamming children into buying skins. For legal reasons, that's a joke. That's it for now. Kinda cool that we just made a game. So, if you know anyone that's hiring, just send them over. Subscribe.